Hey guys, Hugh here, and in the previous video I showed you how you can use our app to quickly add a new Twitter account to Twitworkz. And since then I had a pretty good suggestion there from Wig and Andrew in the Facebook group who suggested that, why can't we just clone existing apps that are working fine to new accounts? And I figure, that's a pretty good idea. So I've actually set that up for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of that. Now you see here I'm on my Twitter apps page. And since you already have an existing app, it's fine, but you're going to have to change one thing on it here. You're going to have to change the callback URL. And actually this is the correct callback URL now. So if you don't have this correct callback URL in here, and it's not the same one I told you last year, so it's you're going to have to definitely log in and change that on your app. It won't affect anything going backwards. It'll just make sure that everything works great going forward. So you just do that. How you do it is you click Settings, and then you paste that right in here. And if we've got that listed on the settings page in Twitworkz, so you can just copy and paste it into your app. Once you've done that and you've made sure that you've got everything all set on your app, and I do kind of really insist that you do this first, but I mean if you don't, you'll run into problems. The problems can be solved afterwards, but it's a lot easier to have it running correctly the first time. So make sure you have that callback URL set correctly. It's pretty much all you need to do. And once you've done that, make sure that you go ahead and log out, because you're not going to be using that same account. That's the whole point of this, is that you need to be logged in with another account that you want to authorize with. So you either want to log in here, or you can wait until a little later in the process. So here's what we do. In order to clone your existing app to be used for a different Twitter account that you own, first thing you want to do is select the account here on Twitworkz that has the app that's working that you want to use for your new account. So what I want to do is I want to use my Groophonic app for my dog Chaka. Okay, so I've selected the source target, and I'm going to go to Settings and Config, and I'm going to scroll down, and you can see it says Your App, because this is my app. It's not the Web Dimensions public app that I have told you about in the previous video. So, and once again, here's that callback URL that you do need to have in your account. And once again, I highly recommend that you take care of that before you go to this stage, and then make sure you're logged out of Twitter before you go here, or logged into the target account that you want to target with. Okay, so target to, not from. So once you got all that, and you're on the app that you want to use to clone to a new account, you're just going to click this button here that says Clone App to New Account. And you'll see, now we've come over here and it's showing the GP Twitter app, and that was the name of the app that I showed you on the apps page, remember? But I'm not going to be signing in with the Groophonic. I'm going to sign in with my dog Chaka account. So I've already got that saved. So you want to put in the username and the password here, and just click Authorize App. And you'll notice that we've come right back here, and we're showing my dog Chaka and the correct picture, and that means that it's working correctly, and we've captured your tokens. You can see the tokens down here too. Now the next thing you probably want to do is change the nickname to, let's just make a new account for my dog Chaka, and that'll show up on the list. So don't click this one, but click the Save button again. Okay, and there we go. And you can see that it's here. And if we go back to the dashboard, you can now see new account for my dog Chaka. And it's not going to pick up any data until you turn on following or unfollowing. Okay, but that's just how they work, and you probably already know that. So there you go. That's how you can clone your existing apps to new accounts. See you soon. Hugh out.